Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming compatibility. Make sure your Samsung phone has a USB-C port and the earphones are USB-C. Once done, unlock the phone and temporarily disable battery saver or restrictive audio apps. This prevents connection issues. You should also inspect the earphone plug for dust or debris. A quick blow or soft brush clears the contact and ensures a reliable electrical connection. By preparing the port and cable now, you reduce troubleshooting later and speed up the detection and audio routing process. You should now insert the USB-C plug straight into the phone port with steady pressure. Avoid forcing it at an angle to protect pins. After insertion, watch the screen. Android often shows a wired accessory notification or changes the audio output icon. This confirms detection. Then open Settings Sounds and Vibration to verify the phone is routing sound to wired headphones and adjust volume. If your earphones support high-quality modes, enable them here so you get the best audio performance while connected. Finish by playing music or a video to confirm audio and to fine-tune volume and equalizer settings. This verifies both hardware and software routing. If you hear nothing, make sure to isolate the problem. Test another USB-C accessory, or try your earphones on a different phone. Once you know whether the earphones or the phone is at fault, restart the phone, recheck and clean the port, and install any pending software updates. A common troubleshooting tip: try a different USB-C adapter. Many failures trace to faulty dongles.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.